I got this medal, and this is California, Massachusetts. And they said in here, Wisconsin Professional Policemen's Association, 1965. Slow fire pistol, class B, third. And there's a name. And let's leave it into it's in the plastic here. Anyway.